Welcome. If you're looking to change the email address linked to your Pinterest account, you're in the right place. Whether you're updating your contact information or just want to keep your account secure, the process is quick and easy. In this video, I'll walk you through the updated steps to change your email on Pinterest. So let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest page, where you can see all your boards and pins. Next, look at the top of your profile page and tap your profile picture again. This opens up the settings menu where you can manage all aspects of your account. Here, you'll see several options, but what you want is account management. Go ahead and tap on that. Inside the account management section, you'll find the option labeled email address. Tap on it, and you'll see your current email address displayed. Now it's time to update it. Simply tap on the email field, delete your old email, and enter your new one. Make sure you type it carefully. This is where Pinterest will send important notifications and password reset links. After entering your new email address, look for the option to save or confirm your changes. Tap to save, and Pinterest may ask you to verify your new email. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from Pinterest and follow the instructions to complete the process. That's it. You've successfully changed the email address on your Pinterest account. Keeping your contact details up to date is a great way to ensure you never miss important updates and keep your account secure. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.